start, madam? Sorry, can we start, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Madam, is it audible? Fine, thank you very much. So, can you view the data? Fine. So, this is kind of a data view. So, data view is related to data view, it is not related to information actually. See, if I want to convert this as a information, if you look at some kind of changes you may find. See, this is value ordered or decoded for some kind of things. See, this is a kind of a variable view. So there I want to add value. So if I am calling this is a database, obviously it has three core: data, information and knowledge. This is the structure of the database. It's like a matrix form. So this software we are using for easy to understand that purpose. See, writing program is really a complicated one, especially for non-statistics group. Though you are well versed in computer, maybe you are having fond of or having knowledge, more knowledge on writing kind of a program. But there are people will, I don't think the same interest can work with kind of a software. So S Plus and SAS also are kind of a software can able to deal with the data much better than the existing sources. And those softwares are really the cost effectiveness. So SAS is, you can't imagine, for getting renewal every year, we have to pay nearly 25 lakhs. It's for our scenario, this is really a complicated one. So what will be the outcome? Ultimately, the government institute will lose. If I am spending 25 lakhs, even government also is asking now. Previously, there is no restriction of buying software, but if you ask SAS, people will ask, if I am spending 25 lakhs, what will be the output? Whether I can able to give that much effort, or in turn I have to earn back the 25 lakhs which I spent for the software. So there are restrictions. So nowadays everybody is looking. See, I have been appointed for statistics, working in the given allotment work at our institute, but ultimately I have been insisted to do more project, getting more funds from other sources. That is also additional. So which is not mentioned in my appointment order. I can say that way also, but it is nowadays, if I am saying that aspect, I have been cornered. The cornered in the sense, it's kind of a personal feeling also. So why we cannot, we have to write more projects, getting more funds, but though we have kind of a writing project and getting funds from other sources, I unable to spend 25 lakhs for getting renewal for 1 year. It's huge, you know. So there are other software. So you can switch over other software which is really a commercial like the Stata, SPSS. SPSS I can get 5 lakhs for 10 users. Cost effective is also very less when compared to that one. Moreover, I am familiar with the state SPSS during my college. So I worked in DOS version, used to write command on my own. I am familiar with that aspect. Using SPSS version is 4. Used to write those days DOS computer, DOS version. We used to write program everything, and whatever I am doing, opening file also I have tried, deleting some particular concept, adding some kind of values. I have tried. I am more compatible with the writing program those days, but I am lacking with now. The problem, if I am giving the same exercise, probably I will be failed in that aspect. So when the service is entered like a given, like in terms of clicking some kind of things, inbuilt functions, everything is there. Even this has more facilities. You can write on your own program without writing program. How? We can do. Now we will see the interesting things in SPSS. Why I am not a person like promoting SPSS. Don't think that aspect. But what I learned from SPSS is, ideally speaking, this is easy way of understanding some kind of concept, but it is the limitation of statistics is very, very limited. So before starting my thesis, I think that the SPSS is more sufficient, but most of the work have been done apart from SPSS. I learned something software like Winbux for Bayesian approach, SAS for another things, and Stata for another concept. So parametric approach I can't apply in SPSS. So it is very limited sources available, but which is really a interesting one. But we must know why we are applying for. If you have that kind of knowledge, you can use. Otherwise, this is very dangerous one. Because so this software is everything is inbuilt. So you can track the categorical variable. Though this is a string one, you can convert it in terms of. See, look at the last one. This is outcome. It is 1 or 0 outcome factors. It is in the binary. So if your people tracking in terms of descriptive statistics, calculating mean, it will give mean. But whether the mean is capable of interpretable way, which is inappropriate statistical tools. So that kind of lacking. So that means it need more knowledge before applying any kind of things. So this is a simple structure. You can view the data view, and also you can see the variable view. See variable view, this is what are the variable I have to give. And every variable, so that means a variable must have a unique ID that is easy to understand where we have committed mistakes. They're easy to pick up if you committed any wrong things. So for that, obviously I need to select kind of a ID for a particular, or patient number, or kind of a serial number, whatever it is. All records should have a unique number. That is one way. Some of the parameters like maybe it is a basic profile of the patients, maybe age, gender, weight, height, and other parameters, what treatment we have given, and what is the end results, what are the factors. So this is very limited statistics when compared to the larger data set. So this is, here you can give a values. So I'm just clicking the values where the cursor is highlighted some portion. According to the value, what it stands for, exactly 1 stands for what and 0 stands for what I can give. So if you click that area, you can find what I have given. What I have assigned for, 0 is what and 1 is what. So this is kind of a hidden information. So if you look at the data view, so nothing is displayed, what I have assigned already. So want to display that one, so you just click this one, you will get some kind of information, additional information. That means this is value added. See for gender, I coded like 1, 0. See, all 1 stands for what, 0 stands for what. And the age is in years or what, nobody knows. Of course, this is age in years. And treatment 1, 2, 3, what is 1 stands for, what is 2 stands for, nobody knows. So look at weight, it is weight, baseline, it was weight 6 months. And the time also given. So this is one interesting thing. None of the analysis, the morning we have seen kind of a flow chart. That flow chart have a 3 component. One is related to continuous variable, another is related to categorical variable, that is classical statistics. The below you can see the survival. The survival component is including both censored as well as truncated things, and also it includes time is one of the factor. So none of the analysis will include time as one of the factor, at which time point it is converting, at which time point it is curing, or what is the survival rate for which treatment, that we cannot predict. So that is another stage. So the status is given 1, 0, and what do you mean by 1? What do you mean by 0? No. So you just click this one, you can identify things. So time in terms of months, this is related to disease, patient, and over a period, at what month it is converted into negative. That means TB patients, all patients are initially TB, having a TB symptoms, then giving treatment over a period, at which period gives the conversion, proper conversion, disease free. That is the event of interest. That is my objective. So if this is happening, what are the other factors are influencing? Maybe age is also one of the factor, or it is gender. Strictly speaking, if you take conversion rate for male and female, female is higher conversion rate than compared to male. Why? What is the reason? So we are having the clean habit. So when compared to male, females are having clean habit. There is no smoking status, there is no alcoholic status. Once these 2 factors are added in my body, so it is prevent to it is making delay for my response of treatment. It is not working well then compared to the female. So female is high conversion rate than compared to male. That is one interesting thing. And another thing is the ratio of female affecting tuberculosis is very less. Reason? Maybe immunity, have a high immunity, and other nutritious food also is another causes, or clean habits also another causes. So 1/3 ratio. See, when my data is showing here by unanimous, trends is happening still now. So from long period to as such, we are having the same trend 1/3. So total cases, for example, 75% of the cases from male, the same only 25% female. It's the affected group. So from the affected group, the cure rate is much higher than compared to the 75%. The ratio of the conversion rate is much higher. So this is related to that data. So I said previously, what is meant by data weight zero is when patient enter into the hospital, the weight will be measured, and the treatment working or not. According to that, is there any progress? Weight improvement is one of the symptoms the treatment is working well. So there are 3 types of treatment, of which, so 1, 2, 3. So one is control. Yeah, 1 is control, 2 is treatment A, and 3 is treatment B. So this is what you have seen in the afternoon presentation related to tuberculosis. There are varieties of regimen, that is. So all treatments are 6 months, but given in different rhythms. So maybe continuous, daily or intermittent, that aspect. See, here, age is, what is the nature? Time scale? It is only 2 groups. So maybe categorical order. So broad classification. And you need to go for whether the category itself nominal or ordinal. According to this scenario, gender is a categorical, only 2 options. And age is a continuous, age in years. Treatment is in categorical, treatment A, B, like naming something, and weight 0 is a continuous one, weight 6 also same, and I have only these characters. If you want to identify these differences, when you look at the visual and the variable view, so it will say here, this is related to nominal, scale, or nominal. So this all scales are related to continuous, nominal related to categorical. So these are the broad classifications. So what is the width of each variable? This is simple data set. So how the data will be explored? So the exploration may be the descriptive statistics. One is all categorical can be done, number of cases along with percentage. If you go statistics and click descriptive statistics, I need to explore my data in a mathematical way. So mathematical way gives only the percentage. So the possible thing is, irrespective of everything will be displayed here, you just know whether which is nominal, which is continuous. See, for example, this is able to present in terms of percentage, and treatment also similar. This is categorical nature, and status also. You just click statistics. By default, some measurement will be there. So you just click OK. You will get some results. See what it here. So this is the way we have to represent. So gender, female is about 119 cases, it's about 35%. Male is 65%. And you may find that percent and valid percent. What is the difference between percent and valid percent? So my data is, there is no missing data. Suppose in case any missing data, this will play a vital role. So whatever the missing will be eliminated separately, and the available cases will be given as a valid percent. For example, I am omitting some cases over here. The data view. See, for example, I am deleting these records. So will be treated as a missing one. You just see what is the differences. So the missing will be accounted only in the case of numeric. See here, total 8 cases, nearly 2.4% will be treated as a missing. So whatever the available thing will be given a percentage. This will be excluded. The available information only for after excluding 8 cases from 339. So the rest of the cases, the percentage. That is the difference. The missing will be treated properly when you are having data in terms of numeric. Whether the data will be in a string format, the missing will not be considered. So that means the percentage that will be treated as a available cases. So like I have percentage of treatment for control, treatment A as well as treatment B, and how many cases experience the event. That means disease to disease free, how many cases? Nearly 89.4% Q, that means disease free. Initially all cases are disease. Over a period of 6 months, 90% converted disease free. So this is one way of representing it. Suppose I am having a continuous variable. So the continuous variable, I am going back, descriptive statistics, clicking descriptives, I am tracking only continuous nature of data instead of clicking categorical nature data. So if you find the scale symbol, that means continuous. See, I am giving results. So this will be represented in terms of measures of central tendency, also kind of standard deviation. If the data is assessed the mean 31.38, the standard deviation is 10, which is correct or not according to the definition we have seen in the morning. Yeah, 50% is the threshold, less than 50% is advice. So again the 50% also one of the issue when we are having number of cases. So this is 300 cases.